Okay, today we are working on another one of the patterns from this bathroom accessories bundle. We've got a video for the face scrubbies. This one is for the washcloth. This washcloth is a gentle exfoliating washcloth. It's a wonderful pattern, and that's what this video is going to show you how to do today. And you can find the links for the other two here, including this basket, in the description below. All right, so you're going to need some 100% cotton yarn. You're going to need a 5mm crochet hook. And let's just go ahead and get started. We're going to make our starting loop. Just get that on your hook there. And we're going to begin with a chain of 25. So you're just going to go ahead and yarn over, pull through loop, yarn over, pull through loop. And you're going to make that starting chain to 25. All right, so once you have your starting chain done, we're going to work a half double crochet into the second stitch from the hook. All right, and then we're going to work a slip stitch into the chain after that. A half double crochet in the following chain. And a slip stitch in the chain after that. If I'm going through any stitches too quickly, have a look at my stitch tutorials. You're going to continue alternating this all the way down and come back. All right, so now that you've gotten to the end, you're going to chain one and turn your work. We're going to begin this next one with a half double crochet in that first stitch. And a slip stitch in the next. Being careful to work every half double crochet into a slip stitch from the previous row and every slip stitch into a half double crochet from the previous row. And you're just going to go ahead and you're going to keep on working this to get to the end, chain one, and turn your work. Okay? Now you're going to keep on going for another 22. You're going to do another row like that, but you're going to keep going for 22 more rows and then come back. So now that you've finished 24 in total rows of work, you're going to chain one, turn your work, and we're going to do a single crochet into every single stitch all the way down. It's a super simple pattern. That's really all there is to it. We worked our moss stitch here. If you want to see a copy of the written pattern, you can check that out. That's also available through a link in the description below. And you're just going to do your single crochets all the way down. Now pull up some of your yarn after you finish that row of single crochet, fasten it off, and just continue pulling that through just to finish off that. And using your yarn needle, you're going to go ahead and thread that yarn needle. Okay, and like I said, any of the stitches in this video tutorial or any of my other tutorials, check out my stitch tutorials. I have a playlist available where I go through particular individual stitches in great detail. So to finish this off, you're just going to weave these tail ends in and out of some of the stitches in your work here just to hide them, and you can just go and give it a snip. And don't forget to do it for the other one here as well. And then you're done. You've got your washcloth. I hope you've enjoyed this pattern, and please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the helpful links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.